With the rod in the bottom of the lake. Wow. Ah, like it. I think well, alright, YouTubers. It's a lot lighter out here than this camera's looking, but I got here pretty late. It's 7:30 now almost. Getting dark. I got here just in time to set this thing up. Got my tarp up over it. There's the old Explorer. And I'm fitting to have to get mosquito repellent out because they are setting in. Alright, we'll keep you up to date. I got me a big box of wood in the truck. Got my little grill thing to make me a little fire out here just to have one, I reckon. Alright, started getting a little cool. Went ahead and built me up a little fire. But alright, a little bit of lights on the lake. Get back with y'all. Well, good morning, YouTubers. The sun is just starting to peek up over there. A little fog on the lake this morning. Just got up. Pretty out here. Pretty this morning. We'll do a little fishing here in a little bit. But first things first. Coffee hadn't started perking yet. Not quite. Well, that was perfect. That bottle had just enough to perk my coffee this morning for about 3 or 4 minutes. And it petered out. That's what I call good timing. Got me another one right there. Alright. Boy, it got busy out here right after my coffee episode a while ago. There's like 8 boats in a row come up here and put in. And got the state man out here working on the dock out here. He's covering up some holes, so that's good. So I ain't gonna fish right now anyway. Been a lot of traffic in and out of here, so I'm gonna do my fishing this afternoon and tonight. But yeah, it's getting to be a pretty day. The wind ain't blowing like crazy like the last couple of days. Lake looks real good. This little plant right here, it's called Yupon. It's the only caffeinated plant in North America. You can take those leaves. I have never done it. Let me see. There it is. It's got little ruffled edges around the edge. And be sure not to get it mixed up with the Chinese privet stuff, because it looks a lot like it. And that stuff will make you sick. But you can take these and just like roast the leaves in the oven, or I guess you can do it on the campfire. And I do have a little tea basket thing. I could make some. I found this too. That's sassafras right there, growing right next to it. It's got different style leaves on it. and some of the leaves look like Michigan or something, or a mitten or something. But they's growing right here next to each other. I just happened to notice it. And there's several sassafras in here. There's one right here. There's a couple more over here. There's a few of them growing through here. So I might get me one of them roots and make me some sassafras tea. Might try my hand at making a little bit of that yaupon tea. It's not supposed to be real caffeinated, but I might try it just to see. I don't got no honey or anything like that though. But alright, it's getting about lunchtime, y'all. I figured I'd cook up a piece of that chicken, got a little sausage, got some eggs I bought with me. So I'm gonna fix up a little brunch. I'm not a big breakfast eater, but I think that piece of chicken and sausage and eggs is on order now. Alright, fixing to enjoy me a couple of eggs. That chicken just about done. Good old lunch. Alright, this is a little different. Wind's kind of blowing, so you might not hear me good, but been doing a little more redneck ingenuity again. I got this thing. I cut a little straight piece of a mimosa tree a while ago. I'm gonna sink this thing down in the water and see what happens. And like usual, I don't know if it picks up anything till I go to edit this video. I've been waiting on it to be about 2 o'clock where that sun will be coming this way. Maybe it's pretty bright down there. So maybe we'll see something. You'll see it if it's at the end of this video. We'll see. Hang tight. I finally made it out here on the dock. Somebody taking a boat out of the water over there. Got my Zevco Platinum.
Yeah, back up a little bit.
And the Rhino Tough. Y'all know I got videos on both of these where I clean them up and grease them up. So y'all look right up there, and I'll put a link to them right there and watch them. Like my old Zevcos, you know that. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen here in just a minute. Get set up. Alright, we got one on the dock.
Oh, fish on him for the start biting now.
What's the name, man?
Tony from Holmes County.
Tony from Holmes County. Alright. You're on Henry Shy outside from Holmes County. Alright. Well, alright. That's one on the dock. Alright. Something just snatched my rod in the water. I'll get back with you if I can fish it out of here. These guys are trying to help me fish it out of here. Something hit it hard.
Yeah, it did. Women too, boy.
Man, y'all, this man has helped me catch my reel out of the water, and the fish is still on it.
Yep.
Nice
old
shell.
bluegill, ain't it?
Boy, you talk about a bluegill right there, boy.
Yeah,
With the rod in the bottom of the lake. Wow. I ain't believing that, y'all. He has swallowed that thing down to his butthole. He's bleeding.
He got that.
Wow. I ain't never had one snatch one over the side like that.
I'm glad I could help you. Yep.
Man, yes sir.
That's what it's about.
Wow.
Wow. Exactly.
He ain't long for this world, because his gills and everything come out. But look at there. That's a big old bluegill right there.
See, I told you, it ain't what you like.
And if nothing else, I do got a little cut bait too. Hang home with you now.
Yeah.
You actually caught him. Hey man, you gonna put him in your thing?
Yeah,
You actually caught him. For real. You actually caught him.
Hey man, I'm glad you got your reel back.
Hey,
Yeah.
I'm glad these guys was out here. I'll catch you another.
Hey.
Let's see.
Might be
And then
okay.
jerk it off the side.
Hey.
Yeah.
Oh, he on ya. You'll be a little. Alright, he on ya.
There you go. Hey.
Oh, yep. Little shell
All
cut.
right. Now we got some cut bait.
Yep.
That's a little bluegill. Of course, as soon as I walk off and get my brim buster, he hits it.
They hit it hard too.
Yeah, they hitting hard. All right, that'll work. I think I deleted my last one I caught by accident. But, all right, I'll make up for it. All right, y'all. All right, we'll see about it again. Three's a good meal. Getting kind of late. See if this is serious or not. And I don't. Move off of that spot. That's about four that tried to take the bait, but they wouldn't take it. This thing jerked the pole over. Maybe the circle hook got him. Someone's been messing with him all night. I think them little bill guards or jacks or something out there. If there ain't a fish on this one, I'm calling in tonight. And there ain't. Man. Same piece of bait I've had all night. I caught two off of it. I think them old bill guards or something out there, jacks or whatever, messing with it. Maybe turtles. But I'm through for tonight. I caught two good ones. Two little speckled cat. So I'm good. I'll cook them up tomorrow. I'm gonna wind it up and go back to camp. Build me a little fire. Dang, keeps diving on me. little guy. Alright, I ain't gonna terrorize you. I'll let you go. Alright, y'all. I have started the cooking process. I had that little pack of chicken thighs right there, so I'm gonna fry that first. I'll take that home with me. That'll make good sandwiches. But I got 2 catfish and about a half a brim, what I didn't use for cut bait. I got over there. I got a tater. I might do some french fries. I don't know. I'm gonna have plenty to eat. I took my tent down, just kind of stuck my tarp back up a little bit, leave it out here. I got everything, a lot of everything put up already. All I gotta do is cook, eat, pack up this little bit of stuff right here and get on out of here. It's already going on about 4 o'clock. I just like to hang around, take as much time off as I can. And I wish I could stay another night and fish, but got to go to work. So I'm just gonna chill out here and eat a little bit and go. Alright, I'll bring you along with me if you'll hang around. Yes sir. Chicken dinner over here. Catfish dinner right here. Got some french fries ready to go next. Alright, I'm gonna take that chicken with me and make sandwiches. I've been eating this catfish though and tater. Huge, yeah. I've been kind of just procrastinating getting out of here. I'm just trying to make the weekend last. But I'm going to get this done, eat a little bit and get on out of here, y'all. Alright, y'all. All I got is this little bit of stuff right here in this tarp to pack up. And look at there. That's some good catfish dinner right there. I got the chicken up under there. I'm gonna eat a little bit of this before I go home. I'm gonna take some home with me. And gotta put that sausage back up. But anyway, I have had a great time. Alright, y'all. One more time. I've seen this cat 2 or 3 times. I said, hey kitty kitty and everything. He just ignored me. But he's real friendly now. I don't know why. You know, but I guess he smells something in the air. He's ready to be friendly now. I might give him a little nibble. Alright y'all, just one more time. I have ate me some, and the cat has ate him some. So he's happy, and I'm happy, and I'll be getting on out of here now. Just had to leave y'all with that.